So hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. So in this tutorial we'll learn how to interface IR sensor with Node MCU. Okay, so actually it is I written this code and first I will explain you the code, then I will explain you the hardware part. So in the previous tutorial we learned how to give the output to the digital pins and all. In this tutorial we'll learn how to read the digital device. So normally we have two types of kind of sensors only. One is the digital one, another one is the analog one. So all the digital sensors we need to read, and analog sensor also we need to read. So in the previous tutorial we learned how to give the output from to the digital device, and now this tutorial will learn how to read digital sensors and all. So IR sensor is a infrared sensor. So in this tutorial we learn how to read. Okay, so this is the basic program. In this it is a data type, and IR is a variable name, and D7 is the pin number of Node MCU. So I assigned that D7 pin number to this one, and now this void setup function, inside that I am setting the pin mode as an input mode. As I told you, infrared sensor is a IR sensor is a like we need to read it, and based on that we can perform some action. But in this tutorial, just basic knowledge I will give how to read it, and based on your requirement or for many project I will tell you how to interface other things and how to do other operations. Serial.begin is I am setting the baud rate. So 9600 is your baud rate. So what I am going to do it, actually I am going to print the status of IR sensor on the serial monitor. Now see, I is a variable, and what I am doing, I am just reading that pin number of D7 where I am going to connect IR sensor input, and then I am printing on the serial monitor, right? So now first what I have to do, to upload the code, tools, I need to select the board as a Node MCU, and port I need to connect. Okay, then I need to upload the code. So you can see code is uploading, and here I connected IR sensor. Now see, 5 volt of that IR module I connected with the 3.3 volt of Node MCU. Ground I connected with the ground of Node MCU, and output of IR sensor I connected to pin number D7 of our Node MCU. Now see, it is uploaded only. Okay, now this is the IR sensor module, and this is the Node MCU. Okay, now we'll check the status, serial monitor status. Now see, defaultly it is giving the value 1 on the serial monitor. The moment when I will put any object, it will give the value 0. Okay, so I think one wire came out. Yeah, now you can see it is giving the 0 if no object is there. If any object is coming in front of the IR sensor, it will give value 1. See, so what we can do it, based on this status of IR sensor, if the value is 0 or 1, based on that we can perform some action, or based on that we can do some operation. So that's all. Like 0, 1 it will give status when there is an object, and if there is no object is there. And I will tell you the pin connections and all. So here you can see the pin connections. 5 volt of IR sensor module, I connected with the node MCU 3.3 volt. Node MCU 3.3 volt, and white wire is ground of IR sensor module. Sorry, ground, actually it is removed, so I need to connect it. Ground I connected to the ground of node MCU. Okay, and output blue color wire, it is connected with the D7 of a node MCU. Okay, so if any object is there, this particular LED will blink. If no object there, no LED will not blink.